Always love you so. Time best is yet, 'cause somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter. I know that heart of yours will come to see that you'll be but somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again.
Ang bagya sa kapilisir, tapos ay inilapit ko sa kanyang katawan ng aking pinagpala.
No matter how you try.
Ang lakas ng ulan. Pati hangin. Nakayan na. Ang bagyo. Talas siya.
But she tried. She is good, but she lied.
Ba't ang tagal mo? Ito yung English mo. English book. Gutom ka na? Lagay mo na sa bag mo. Wala na, kompleto na. Kala ko kasi kompleto na yung box mo. Gutom ka na? Mga klase niya itong lalaki. Ito bunso ko, ito pangalawa. Ba't ang tagal niyo? Lunch mo. Kamukha ng awan. Oo. Lunch mo. Nandyan yung gamot mo. Ha? Baka 3. Ito, yung Dysodrin yan, 5 ml lang, ha? Shake it well, ha? Oo. Tagal yun ng Let's go. Going to sa bayan. Chicken. Condense. Tayo. Yan.
Ano?
Nang yeah. Okay. Sabi, ayos na. Dito mo lang lagay sa gilid. Dito. Yan. So. Saan?
Sa ID.
Ay, hindi malamig eh. Yan. Tsaka itong isa. Yan. Wala na, mauubos na yun. Lagyan mo na lang dito sa ilalim. Kaya na, huwag dyan. Babagsak yan. Ang magandang dalaga. Yan na naman nila binili. Okay. Thank you. May mga batang laging paborito ang Dairy Queen. Pagkatapos mamili ng mga gusto nila sa National Bookstore. Oh, magastos. Thank you naman. So, Watson kami. Ang maganda siya. Hindi siya, no? Meron silang mga iba't ibang flavor.
Ini mau apa? Popcorn food.
Thank you. Bakit? Isa na si Jamaica. Ano? Kamusta niya? Free sa akin ang pure gold. Lagi silang ganyan magbigay sa akin, maraming free. Kasi marami nga ako mamili. Kaya marami rin sila magbigay ng free. Ayan. pa malakas yung bagyong Christine.
Just for nights like this.
I wanted her to say back again. Oh, what a lady. She understood in a way. 'Cause the silence told me when it falls apart. Oh, there's just no easy way. There's no easy way to break somebody's heart.
Breaking news! Crispy Pata pagnalo sa lutong at tasa, pustiso madinisgrasya! Holiday! May strong kape, jump comfort at food blocker. Pustiso, ready na! Shibuga na! Hindi mo na nagsabi, mag-holiday palagi!
Last time we met, when you told me you were leaving and going back to him. Now I wish that I could tell you it's all in the past, but I was never good at lying. And baby, since you asked, I don't wanna hear that song again from the night we first. But this ain't the time or place to get.
Hey you should know that I'm proud. I see how hard you try. It's okay if you wanna cry. I'm by your side.
This guy is from World Market, and I think he's just really good. No flight good. Like the woods. And then they say gingerbread stars, but these are love pudding stars. Basically, and this candy makes me very Christmas carol by Charles Dickens, and slowly eat this while I read. chocolate mixes this year and kind of keep testing different types and styles of hot chocolate. Cookie butter sounded very intriguing. And then I couldn't go to World Market and not pick. It has German writing on it, so it's imported from Germany, which I feel like when you import chocolate from Europe, it just tastes so much better. Like, even though we have British for it here in America, hot chocolate drinking experience by adding these to my mug. We're just on the theme of gingerbread here, because I also got this Hallmark Channel Countdown to Christmas. It smells very spicy. Okay, and these next items Jared picked out. I got the chocolate ones. They also had vanilla ones that seems like little chocolate chips in it. And then I have no idea what this is. Paolani? It says 1921. Jared also said this is super, super good, and in Italy, people will just gift these to each other for Christmas. He said when he was there, he got so many, he couldn't eat them all. And then back here, I picked up this in my bedroom, so I might put this on my desk in my room, and I think it will just keep getting better and better. I'm honestly such a fangirl at this point. So if you're not familiar with HelloFresh, they are a service that provides fresh, pre-portioned ingredients and seasonal recipes delivered right to your doorstep. The holidays can become quite busy, so HelloFresh keeps things simple with recipes and ingredients that cut out grocery shopping and limit meal prep time, so you can spend more of the festive season with family and loved ones. One of the things I personally love the most is their variety of recipes that they change up weekly. There are always so many new and amazing recipes to choose from, which is great for people like me who often get into recipe ruts. HelloFresh offers 50 menu and market items to choose from every week, including vegetarian, calorie smart, meal, and supporting my channel. Now, let's get back to it. I want to share with you my top 10 warm and cozy Christmas films list. Think Hallmark movie vibes. In no particular order, I want to start off with The Holiday. This one is for those of you who love a good Christmas film that's not extremely Christmassy, like in your face, because the whole movie doesn't take place during Christmas. All you really need to know about this one is that it stars Jude Law, Jack Black, Kate Winslet, and Cameron Diaz. The location of her cottage in England is, I think, everyone's dream cottage. Location, aesthetic, literally everything about it. Like, whenever anybody imagines like going off to live in a cottage.
Hi guys! Ito nga pala, gusto ko ipakita sa inyo yung nabili namin ng mga books. Actually, mga second-hand book to. Pero, mga quality talaga. Like Peter Rabbit. Ito, bibigay ko kasi sa apo ko to, yung mga maliliit na books. Ayan, kay Mickey Mouse. Ayan, mga pang-baby. Mga pang-nursery. And then, Peter Rabbit again. Favorite book ko talaga to. Ito ay for keeps to. Sa akin to. Kahit pambata siya. Ito collection ni Duwen, Winnie the Pooh. And then, sa kanila ni Shai, pero malamang si Duwen ang gagamit. Disney. Ito, sa akin, pero ano ko kay Shai. Kasi, my daughter, my joy. Yan, maganda yung mga pictures eh. Yung mga nakadrawing. Mahilig ako sa ganyan. Diba, ang ganda. Maganda rin yung story. Ngayon naman, ito mga galing sa Shopee. Kasi ito, project to ni Duwen sa school. So, kailangan daw nila ng arnis. So, ayan. Next, baka phone case ni Shai ito. Kasi sira na yung phone case ng phone niya. Hindi pala siya phone case, yung chia seed ko. Kasi sinasama ko ito sa mga inumin ko, sa salad. Shai, wala pa pala yung phone case mo. Next, ito. Ito naman yung request ni Duwen na Hershey's caramel. Kasi laging chocolate yung nabibili namin. So, caramel naman this time. And last but not the least, pero actually may mga padating pa. Hindi pa ito yung last. Yan, ito yung whiskers ko. Whiskers! Para pag nagtimpla ko ng coffee, yung milky whiskers ko. So, wala pang battery eh. Tatry ko to next time, papakita ko sa inyo. Pero na, buti. Masyadong kapit yung plastic. Aray. Itik. Nalagdag ko. It's paper house, something like that. House of Peter Rabbit. Diba? Yung magazine. Marami. Marami pa akong kulang kay Peter Rabbit eh, mga karakter. Si Peter Rabbit ang marami ako. Wow, that's nice. And build a house of Peter Rabbit! Nasaan na yan? Oh, ayan lang muna.
Stop it! Somebody help!
I think sa ano to, kitchen set to. Pero kulang pa rin siya. Oh. Build it. Tapos, pregnancy. Teddy bear. Sorry. Ganda, no? Build it. Ganda. So, ayan. Kagagaling lang namin sa mall. I mean, kauuwi lang namin. So, ito yung mga books na nabili ko. Nabili namin. Yung mga napili rin ng anak ko. Ayan, nakapili ako nito ng Married to a Stranger. Tapos ito yung mga favorite kong fairy tale. Ayan, si Tambelina. Hilig ako sa ganito. Nung bata pa ako, hanggang sa nagdalaga ako. Tsaka hanggang ngayon, kahit may asawa na ako. Paborito ko magbasa talaga ng mga ganyan. Tapos si Mr. Paddington, paborito ko rin to. Yan. Kahit mga old stories na. Si Hello Kitty, ayan, bet ng anak ko tong bunso, ng anak kong babae. Cute. Malinis. Mga vintage na. And then si Snow White. Ito vintage na vintage talaga. Hindi masyadong maganda si Snow White dito. Pero, maganda yung books. Yung book niya. Vintage din. And then, nakakuha kami ng hindi siya complete edition. Itong Winnie the Pooh. Kasi, ayan o. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, walang 10, 11, 12, 13, so 14 agad, 15, 16, So, ay, ito pala may 12 pala. So, may 12. Ay, may 11. May 11. Yan na, may 11. May 12. Wala lang doon 10. 11 agad at 12. Tapos walang 13. 14 na agad. 15, 16. So, siguro, baka, ano to, hanggang 100 edition. Yan, Winnie the Pooh. Paborito kasi ito ng anak kong si Duwen. Paborito niya si Winnie the Pooh. Paborito rin naman to ng bunso ko. Kaya lang kasi, ito yung kinukulik ng anak ko na si Duwen. Sa babae ko naman, syempre, mga girly-girly. Ayan, mga Snow White, Hello Kitty. Yan. Ako naman, basta yung more on fairy tales book and yan, love story. You know. Yun lang. Thank you. Ta-da! Kada 5 seconds. Nag-iisip ako kung lalagyan ko ba yung cookies or harina sa magbe-bake. Ano, masyadong sakto? Ha? Masyadong sakto. Yun. Ito yung paa niya. Masyadong sakto. Walang sobra. Kaya isa sa oli ko. Nung bata daw ako, sabi ng mama ko, lola ko daw nagpalaki sa akin. Pero hindi niya ako pinaampon. Lola ko lang madalas na nag-aalaga sa akin. So siya yung naging inspiration ko, kaya nagkukulat ako ng mga about sa pananahi. Kasi siya talaga yung napaka-talented kong lola. Napakagaling magburga, napakagaling manahin ng mga damit namin, ng mga maliliit pa kami. So, namimiss ko yung ginagawa niya noon. Kaya ngayon, pag-aaralan ko manahi talaga. Kasi maganda pala talagang marunong ka manahi. Especially pag may mga anak ka ng estudyante. Malaking tulong. Lalo na pag nasira yung bulsa, yung zipper. So, hindi
Fall in love with you a little bit more, little bit more. Every time I think I've lost my way, I fall in love with you a little bit more, little bit more than before. Even on the days I'm not so sure.